EasyCompact is a fully biological small sewage treatment plant that does not require electricity and is suitable for single-family homes and holiday homes. The EasyCompact can be used anywhere where there is no connection to a sewage drain. The EasyCompact cleans the wastewater to the highest level so that it can be returned to the natural water cycle. In contrast to conventional small sewage treatment plants, the EasyCompact does not require electricity. Biological wastewater treatment is carried out using the natural mineral filter medium GRAF rock. The system consists of a container, therefore easy to install and connect. Continuously telescopic and permanently corrosion-resistant are further advantages. The system has two chambers, one for pre-treatment and one for biological treatment. In the pre-treatment, the coarse material settles on the bottom and the fats and oils rise to the water surface. Finally, the wastewater seeps through 3 layers and is optimally cleaned by this biofiltration system. The water then flows out of the system by gravity. The EasyCompact's ventilation concept provides the biofilms with the ideal supply of oxygen. Air flows through the ventilation connection from below through the filters and ensures an optimal supply of oxygen for biological cleaning. The air then flows out of the system into the ventilation line. GRAF also offers the EasyCompact with a fully integrated pump shaft if the drainage does not have a free gradient.